this is the positive from the battery, and that goes to the positive of this speaker, and the negative of the speaker was connected to the positive of this brushless fan. And this negative, this is the negative from the brushless fan. We are connecting it to the negative of the battery, guys. So we are going to turn it on to see the, so we are connecting the negative to the negative of the battery. So guys, as you can see, our project has been completed. This is the positive. The positive goes to the positive of this speaker, and it comes out to the positive of this fan. And here's our switch, and this is the negative for the fan. So let's test it, guys. So guys, as you can see, the speaker is moving. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.